off the couch.
Take it out.
Now.
Okay.
Your stick? Yeah?
Gonna totally abuse it. I hit so much stuff, do not get into my way, because I found a stick and I...
You got a good holdover?
Yeah.
Marley, what do you think you're doing?
Come on. Oh. Come on. No.
Look how big this is. How do you even carry this, dude?
Found a stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. I hit so much stuff, do not get into my way, because I found a stick and I'm using